So, recently a new set of functions arrived in Excel. Collectively, they are called regex, or regex for some of you. It stands for regular expression, which is a special sequence used to search and manipulate text. Before I begin, I must start by saying they are only available to Microsoft 365 insiders on the beta channel at the time of speaking. So let's quickly go through several examples to give you a glimpse into what regex is capable of. Here we have a list of codes and we want to find out whether each value contains a number or not. This is where the REGEXTEST function is useful. Reference the range in the first argument and define the pattern in the second. It's as simple as putting 0-9 between square brackets and enclosing it in quotation marks. This checks if any part of the value matches the pattern and returns true or false. We can also check for alphabetic characters by putting A to Z in lowercase and uppercase. You don't have to state both, as the optional case sensitivity argument can also deal with this instead, but we won't bother with that this time. So those are two very simple examples. However, for the next two functions, we're going to step the level of difficulty up a few notches. But don't worry, because you don't need to construct these patterns yourself. I don't know whether you've heard of it, but there's something called ChatGPT, and it's remarkably handy for generating regular expressions. So next up, it's the REGEXEXTRACT function. Here we have a bunch of text strings, and our aim is to extract the email address from each. Let's go on ChatGPT and ask a question. What is the regex for extracting the email address from the example given? Copy the code it generates, and back in the workbook, paste it in the pattern argument. Confirm the formula, and there we are. It's done exactly what we wanted. The final function is REGEXREPLACE. This lets us replace text from a string with another string. Here we want to mask the first 4 digits from a set of account numbers. Let's ask ChatGPT a question again. Using Google Sheets' REGEXREPLACE function, what is the regex for masking the first 4 digits from the account number? And then give an example. Why did I say Google Sheets? Because the same function has existed there for a long time, so there's information about it, whereas there isn't anything yet about Excel's version because it's brand new. But regex is cross-compatible, so it will work in many places. Copy what it's generated, back in the workbook, paste it in the pattern argument, and in replacement, put 4 asterisks in quotation marks, confirm the formula, and you can see it has masked the first 4 numbers of each value. In this video, we've only touched the surface of regex. Feel free to ask ChatGPT for a regex cheat sheet so you can see all the most commonly used pattern sequences for your reference. For now, have a go, explore, experiment, and extract. Oh, and one final thing. Fancy coming to next year's biggest annual gathering of Excel users? Register your interest now at globalexcelsummit.com.